Hi everyone, welcome to my Power BI channels. Today I'm going to do a small tutorial showing that how to use maps in Power BI. Let's crack on. In the first example, I'll use a very small dataset that contains country and sales. So the visual element we use ArcGIS map for Power BI. So I'll add one here and then as the data set I will use in the data set we need to have the location or we can add latitude or longitude or size. So for the first example I used country as a location and then sales value as the size. So let's see how it will come. So then it will come the world map, right? So then as you see uh, sales value or the sales value for each country will be coming to the map. So this is the way simply we can use the map in Power BI. And then if you select here, there are certain options that you have. So then if you select this one, you can use different type of base maps. So let's say we can use streets, whatever that we want. And then let's say if you see this one, so then you can uh, label this. So if you enable label, so then the countries that is in the data set will be displaying here. And then there are some other options as well, like if you want not to display the size of it, like sales value, you can use just the locations only. So different options can be found as well here that you can use in order to design your map, right? So that's the first example how we can use maps in Power BI. For the second example, my dataset contains city and latitude and longitude of the city and the sales quantity. Again, I add the map function here, and then this time I add latitude and longitude as the parameters, and then the sales quantity as the size. Right. So then as you see, when you add latitude and longitude also, we can get the same function as we give the location. So location is also can be identified by this map and also longitude and latitude if you need. And also as the same, so we can modify whatever we want here, to show the labeling and everything we can done to this map as well. So then here it shows the longitude, latitude, and we can add different labeling options as well here. So thanks very much for watching my video, and please keep in touch. Thank you.